All right, here's my first meal of the day. Leftovers from last night, egg roll in a bowl, and I put a little bit of hot sauce on it, not Shiraka, but a ghost pepper hot sauce. And then I'm also having a cup of coffee with 30 grams of heavy whipping cream and 15 grams of sugar-free caramel syrup. Okay, my second meal of the day, and I'm just having avocado with a little bit of this ghost pepper condiment. If you like spicy, get that. Oh my gosh, it is so good. That's what I'm eating for my second meal. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed my full day of eating video today. Today is Vlogmas day 27 and Fitmas week 12, which means it's the end of Fitmas. So let's go over what's happened to me in the last 12 weeks. The first week of Fitmas, I weighed in at 174.4 pounds. My goal was to lose 15 pounds and exercise every day. Today, I weighed in at 166 pounds. Which means I lost 8.4 pounds in the last 12 weeks. I was hoping to lose 15 pounds, but it just didn't happen. And it's not the diet's fault, it's just the fact that I haven't really stuck to my diet every single day. I haven't been the best example of keto. So when you go kind of off and on, it's just not going to work. But on the good side, I am down 8.4 pounds. That's really good. And so I'm hoping to keep moving forward, do a lot better, and actually start to exercise, because that was my other goal, to start doing some type of exercise every day. Did I do that? No. I've watched people exercise. I've thought about exercising. I've looked at exercising. I haven't actually done it myself. So that's a goal that I really still need to work on. So all in all, I call it a win because I did lose weight, even though I could have done better. So that's all I have for you today. So until tomorrow, keep calm and keto on.